Hello friends, in today's topic, rocks. Let us begin with the simplest question, what are rocks? Rocks are naturally occurring solids made up of one or more minerals. There are three main types of rocks according to their origin. First one is igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. And the third one is metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are known as primary rocks as they are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. All other rocks are derived from them, so they are also called parent rock. They do not contain fossil. Generally, they are very hard and water percolates in them with great difficulty. They are small hard pieces and crystalline, and most of the igneous rocks consist of silicate. On the basis of their origin, igneous rocks are divided into two types, intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks. In intrusive igneous rocks, magma solidifies between layers of rocks deep inside the Earth's surface. These intrusive rocks are further divided as plutonic rocks and hyperbasal rocks on the basis of depth and places of their cooling. Plutonic igneous rocks are formed when magma cools and solidifies deep into the Earth's crust. Its depth is unknown. Batholith is the example of plutonic igneous rocks. Just opposite, hyperbasal rocks are formed when rising magma cools and solidifies in between the cracks or in between the rocks. Thus, laccolith, silt, all are examples of hyperbasal igneous rocks. When magma cools and solidifies into a dome shape, it's known as laccolith. In a sill, magma cools and solidifies between horizontal layers of rocks. Just opposite, in a dike, magma cools and solidifies vertically. Thus, all these are examples of intrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks are formed when, after volcanic eruption, magma cools and solidifies above the Earth's surface. Sometimes lava spread over a large area on the surface of the Earth. When the lava hardens, a lava platform is formed. The Deccan Plateau in India is an example of ancient lava platform. Basalt and latite are some other examples of an extrusive igneous rocks. Rocks are broken down, transported in small sediments, and finally deposited in air, either in depression or on the floor of shallow water bodies. These work of breaking, transporting, and depositing are done by the agent of erosion such as by rivers, wind, rain, and ice. Over millions of years, several layers of sediments accumulate. I have shown here with different designs, different layers of sediments. They accumulate and get hardened into compact rock. These rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. Fossils appear only in sedimentary rocks. Some of the examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, shale, coal, limestone, etc. Due to extreme heat and pressure, the igneous or sedimentary rocks change into a new kinds of rocks known as metamorphic rocks. It has different physical and chemical properties from igneous or sedimentary rocks. For example, limestone changes to marble, sandstone to quartzite, carbon to diamond, clay to slate, and granite to gneiss. Thus, quartzite, marble, diamond, gneiss, and slate are the example of metamorphic rocks. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't miss out my next video in which I will explain the rock cycle.